Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is one of the world famous chicken recipes, barbecue chicken. Not just the recipe, I will share with you the secrets and techniques of how to cook the perfectly roasted and caramelized succulent barbecue chicken. And you will also get to watch the recipe of mustard honey dip and sauteed mixed veggies that will go very well with the barbecue chicken. Friends, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Now come, let's get started. For making barbecue chicken, I have taken 1.15 kgs of chicken drumsticks with the skin on. While making barbecue chicken, buy chicken drumsticks as this portion of the chicken is always tender than the other cuts, and see that the skin is on as the skin helps to keep the chicken moist as it undergoes this barbecue process. Now we're going to dry brine the chicken with crystal salt. What is this brining? Brining enhances the flavor of the chicken, makes them tender and juicy, and your chicken would be salted throughout, instead of just on the outside. And this is very ideal for slow roasting of the chicken, like barbecue chicken. This is crystal salt. It's a natural preservative that helps to prevent food from spoilage, and it has the ability to inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi and other microorganisms in the food, thus helping the food to stay fresh for a longer period of time. Hence, crystal salt is used for both dry brining and wet brining as well. Now, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of crystal salt for dry rubbing over the chicken. You need not add more salt while cooking. 1.5 teaspoons salt will be sufficient because barbecue sauce and other condiments also contain salt. So don't add more of salt. Now rub the salt well over the chicken pieces like this. The crystal salt, it draws out the juices present in the chicken and gets dissolved, and it forms a natural brine. And after rubbing the crystal salt, let it be marinated in room temperature for 20 minutes, after which you have to marinate this in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours, and this is called dry brining method. Now after 4 hours of first marination, we can go ahead with the second marination, which is dry rubbing with spice powders. Now take a mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. This smoked paprika is otherwise called as Spanish paprika. It lends a natural smoky flavor to your chicken. If you don't get this, it's fine. You can omit it and substitute with some regular red chilli powder. To this, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, freshly roasted and ground red chilli flakes, half a teaspoon I am going to add. This is lemon zest taken from 1 medium sized lemon. We are not going to add lemon juice now as we are preparing dry marinade. You can extract juice from this lemon and refrigerate it till we mix the juice with the barbecue sauce. Now mix thoroughly. Never add water to this. This is a dry marinade. Take a kitchen tissue and remove the excess moisture from the chicken like this. Since we have brined the chicken, the salt would have got absorbed well in and out of the chicken, and hence removing the excess water will never remove the salt from the chicken. And you need not add extra salt at all while cooking the chicken. Now arrange the drumsticks one by one like this. Now to this add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil helps the marinade to get coated well with the chicken. Coat the drumsticks with the dry marinade that we have prepared. Barbecue chicken needs this type of marination. Just try rubbing. Now cover it with a cling wrap and let the drumsticks get marinated in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. Now while the chicken gets marinated, we can prepare mustard honey dip to have with barbecue chicken. Take a mixing bowl and add veg mayonnaise half a cup and 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of mustard sauce, honey 2 tablespoons. Reduce it to 1 tablespoon if you want it less sweeter. Smoky barbecue sauce 1 tablespoon. Dried parsley 1 teaspoon. And roasted and crushed red chilli flakes. You can add about quarter teaspoon. Mix thoroughly. I'm adding half a tablespoon of mustard sauce for that extra mustard flavor in my dip. So totally I've used about 1.5 tablespoons of mustard sauce for this dip. Now it's ready. Refrigerate it till you consume. Now let's prepare sauteed mixed vegetables to accompany our barbecue chicken. Parboil the vegetables, whatever vegetables you like. I have taken cauliflower, florets and baby corn, carrot, French beans and red capsicum. Never overboil them because they have to be crunchy after sauteing. Now once they are parboiled, immerse them in ice cold water so that they stop cooking further and the veggies would be crunchy and they also would maintain the color. Immerse for about 10 to 15 minutes and drain them and keep aside. Take a mortar and a pestle and crush some garlic pods. And this way of crushing the garlic gives a great texture, and while frying it gives an amazing aroma. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of salted butter. If you don't want salted butter, you can add even unsalted butter and add some salt while frying the vegetables. Once the butter gets heated, add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and fry until they turn light brown in color. Sprinkle some red chilli flakes followed by quarter teaspoon of crushed pepper and quarter teaspoon of dried parsley and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of smoked barbecue sauce, and once you add the sauce, add the drained vegetables and cook over a high flame for about 2 minutes till all these spices get well coated with the vegetables. Now switch off the stove and add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. And add few drops of lemon juice and serve along with the barbecue chicken. Now it's time to barbecue. Now the chicken has been marinated for 5 hours in the refrigerator. Take a grill pan and add unsalted butter 1 tablespoon. Spread the butter well all over the pan and remove the excess butter from the pan this way and transfer the excess butter into a bowl. Now place the chicken drumsticks once the butter gets moderately heated. Never overheat the butter, otherwise it will get burnt. And simmer the stove and baste the reserved butter over the chicken with a brush. Use a basting brush for this. Cover it and cook it over a very slow flame. Now remove the lid, flip the chicken and baste butter and continue cooking over a very slow flame. Barbecue method is nothing but roasting meat or veggies over a very slow flame with the lid on. And grilled chicken is just the opposite of it. The meat is cooked over a high flame without lid. Hence in grilled chicken, breast pieces are preferred over drumsticks. Now they are 90% done. At this point of time, we can baste the barbecue sauce over it. Take half a cup of smoked barbecue sauce and mix lemon juice into it, taken from half medium-sized lemon, and baste over the chicken. Barbecue sauce must be added only at the end of cooking. If you add at the beginning, the chicken will get burnt as the barbecue sauce contains sugar, which will over caramelize the chicken and would turn them taste bitter. After basting with barbecue sauce, you must cook the chicken each side for just 5 minutes and not more than that. And it will take about 25 to 30 minutes for cooking. Now they are done. Just before serving, baste some more barbecue sauce and serve immediately with the prepared sauteed veggies and mustard dip. If you have charcoal at home, you can give smoke to these chicken drumsticks just before serving for that outdoor barbecue effect. Friends, hope you all like this video. Please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback in the comments box. I guess I've explained the process of making the perfect barbecue chicken at home without oven. Please follow the tips I have shared in this video to get to taste the ultimately delicious, succulent, juicy barbecue chicken without visiting a restaurant. I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends, and don't forget to like my video and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next video. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.